Hello again. I have a new small project on the Porsche. I am planning to change out these yellowish bulbs here to LED bulbs. I know there are some kits available, but I've seen so much various quality on LED bulbs that I wanted to use the Osram bulbs, which I have had very good experience with. So I've gotten everything I should need to do all the interior bulbs. The trunk has been changed already, so I will do the doors, glove compartment and roof, plus the engine compartment. The build quality and color and looks of these are just extremely good. I will post price and links to the specifics in the description. The total price for all of these were, I can write in the description, but I believe it was less than any of the kits I've seen online actually. So it just took a little bit of time to find a place that sold all the models I needed, but I found them on eBay. We start with the door, and the model in the door are T5s, and they look like this. So to get them open, you just stick in the small screwdriver at the front, flip them out, and you have the hair, and you just pull the bulb gently out. These get really warm, so don't wait too long or don't have them glowing too long before you take and touch them. If you wait too long, then you should use gloves. I don't think I should get any error codes or anything from this, so I guess we'll find out soon enough. Okay, just the build quality and everything on these feels so good. And you put in the back first, and then the front. There we go. One done. The car is looking 10 years younger already compared to all these yellow lights. Same on the other side. Then the engine compartment, which is a 41mm bulb. It's up here. Same procedure. Take a flat screwdriver in here. There we go. It's pretty warm already. Another nice thing about the LED bulbs, they don't get warm. They look so much better and give better light. There we go. Then we have the glove compartment light, which is a smaller bulb, 31mm. This one is actually burned out, so kind of hard to see. It's kind of the same procedure. Light is up here, flat screwdriver, and there's a small edge that you just pull down. You can see the small bulb here. Take out new 31mm LED bulb here. This is the reason why I started this project in the first place, because I needed a new bulb here. So I thought I'll just do LED all the way. And think I managed to blow a fuse, because bulb must have touched the edge. Let's see. This bulb is supposed to be 28 millimeters originally. The smallest LED bulb I could find was 31 millimeter. Luckily, the whole fuse box situation on the Porsche is really practical. There's a booklet that marks all the fuses right here, so I can just look what fuse it is. And I have some spare fuses laying around in the garage here, so I can just replace it, and hopefully everything should work fine again. Fuse blown was C3, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. So we'll put that back in place. The bulb in the glove compartment still works, and the doors still work. Good. So it was a pretty tight squeeze to get this 31 millimeter bulb into this 28 millimeter socket. So what I'm gonna do is try and bend these a little bit to make they fit better before I put it back. Okay, so I bent this top part here a little bit sooner, so now the 31 millimeter bulb fits perfectly. And I just have to plug it back in, and everything should fit a lot better. So we have bolt doors, engine compartment, and glove compartment. It's looking pretty good so far. So much more light, so much brighter. Very good. And then it's just the top ones here left. Now this one is by far the most difficult to get out. There's basically a small opening in the front of here. There's one clip here, and then there's one clip here. So then you kind of have to force your nails or a screwdriver or something in here and get enough grip to basically just pull it out. There's tabs here, and there's clips here. So you want to just pull out the front, and that will come. Kind of took me forever last time, but I'll try and use 2 flathead screwdrivers and just pull gently and hope that nothing gets ruined. Okay, so the easiest was to move the mirror like this, take a screwdriver under so you get your fingers, and spread out your fingers as much as you can so you don't crack the glass, and then just pull it out. I'll unconnect it and bring it over to my workbench. Makes it a little easier. First we do the T15s. One. These are actually usually directional, so I might have to double check that they're the right way before I put it back together. I think the manual said to pull off the 3 tags, which will be on the rear side to get the glass off. 1, 2, maybe, and 1 tab here is almost broken. We have the 41mm bulb in here. I'll just save the old ones, I think, so I have the exact measurements and model if I should need them again. There we go. Put the sides with the 2 clips on first. Okay, time to put it back together. Okay, I'm gonna connect the plug here, see if everything works. The left side was right, right side does not work. Take it out, turn around. Then the right side works too. Ah, it looks so much better. Then you put in the back first, and then the front. There are no error lights or warnings of any kind. And we have LEDs in all parts of the interior. Very, very nice. They're all 6000 Kelvin, so it's the perfect color and everything looks perfect. Project completed.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.